Hey Diamond Painters, thanks for joining me today. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Rocket Girl from Distracted by Diamonds. It's a new one. It just was released I think last Friday, and I snagged it on a Saturday, so I'm super excited. Stay tuned for that unboxing video. Hey guys, so let's get into this unboxing video. So it comes in a white bag with a box. It does have the Do Not Crush and the Fragile on it, so a good way to package it. So we'll just cut it open. And it comes in its own Distracted by Diamonds box. As you can see, smile, sparkle, and repeat. And it has a little sticker on there of what it is. Okay, so this is called Rocket Girl. It is a round one. Okay, let's go into cutting it open. Comes with plastic wrap. So a nice and protected box. It does have 2 AB drills in it. I will link the link to the I thought that was plastic, to the website for this one. Again, it's one of those chances ones, so you have to be on when she uploads them. So but I will link her Etsy shop into the description below. So let's get into this pretty box. And we have, the instructions are on the back of the box if you need instructions. Make sure it's nice and clean on the table. And so now this is something new that I've noticed she started to put in the new kits. So it has like a little container. Then you have your drills. Okay, and your standard toolkit, which does come with a slim 4-placer and your standard wax and all that. So it does come with a standard 4-placer on the thin side. So a thin, small 4-placer. And then this is new. The other one I've done Plant Witch, and the drills came in bags. However, this is not in bags, so let's see what we got. So as of right now, there's a lot of 820s. There's usually, it's right here. So there's usually a chart with this. I'm trying not to open this yet, but I think I'm going to tear it up if I don't. Get it flatten again. So you get a little piece of paper, so it's just printed on computer, of your key chart or color list. It tells you a little bit about the artist and about the Distracted by Diamonds itself. Also lists, you know, where her Etsy shop is and all that. But as you can tell in the picture, it's going to have a lot of blue. And then it's only 21 colors, so not too many colors. But there are 2 AB, white AB, and a blue AB. So let's get into this. What's my dog doing over there? So right here is your white AB. Okay. Here's your white AB. Very pretty. And I guess the blue AB is in the mix somewhere. So, like I said, a lot of blues. Yeah, there's the blue AB. So the white AB is off to itself. And I like this fact. The bags are numbered. So this is new. I like this. I think this is right. Yes. So actually, it goes the opposite way. So that's kind of funny. So, but they do read differently. So let me get this organized to show you guys. So this one reads correctly. Okay. So here we go with number 10. Nope. Wrong again. This way. Figure out these out. So they are in order. So 1 is 208. 1 is 208. So I like this. This is new. This has the number on it. This will be very easy to kit up. Okay, because used to, in the Plant Witch one, they were just already in Ziploc bags with the DMC number on it. This time they're not. Okay, so let's go through here real quick. You got blue, well, purple, pink. You got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bags of 310. Okay. We got a reddish color, a blue, and as you can see, 2 bags of the blue. Another purple, another pink, and red, another purplish blue. So to me, these are purplish blue. They're not quite royal blue. They're not quite purple. They're purplish blue. $7.96. And then you got $7.97, which is very close to $7.96. And you got 2 bags of each of those. Now, here comes the blue bag. The blues, the blues, the blues. So again, it's backwards the way we do it. So starting on this end is actually how it goes. So you got your 11, your 12, 13. You got 5 bags of 820, which is a blue. You got 14, which is $9.95. You got 2 bags of that. A lot of blue. 15, 2 bags of $9.96. 17, 2 bags. 18, 3 bags. 19, 2 bags. And then here again is your AB 996 drills. Very pretty. The AB Sparkle is very pretty. Okay. Doesn't look like there's too many trash drills in here. Very nice drills. They are cut very nicely. To me, these are cut like the Diamond Art Club drills. I don't know if y'all ever look at them, but they are cut to me like the Diamond Art Club drills. So it looks like we got all of them. Hold it back up, and then we'll get into looking at the canvas itself, which I'm super excited about. This one was $54. So a little cheaper than the Plant Witch one, but it is a little bit smaller. Okay. So again, it's only 21 colors, and it's mainly blues. Now, down here it does say the name Rocket Girl of the canvas, who the artist it's by, and it's licensed in 2021. Okay, this is a thicker canvas. It's not a softer canvas. This is a thicker canvas. And then let's look at this. Oh my gosh! Isn't she pretty? Oh, look at how pretty she is. It is poured glue. Very clear symbols. I cannot not distinguish between them. Now you do have to be careful in between the blues. There's some other numbers like D and A, but you have a capital D and a lowercase a, so that's not confusing. Because sometimes I know they put those weird ones, and then over here you got plus signs and A's and D's and M's. Okay, so it's very pretty. Let me get you a little closer. So here's that. And then let me show you how clear the symbols are on there. Okay, so this is how clear the symbols are. As you can see, the plus right there. And the 8s, those were 8s, or 9s, sorry, 9s. And then there are a few N's mixed into the blue. But as you can see these N's clearly. It's not a mix where you can't see it. But isn't she gorgeous? I can't wait to do her. I have a couple other ones I need to finish and do. But I love it. I love the unboxing. You have your 2 keys on the side, so that's awesome. Very excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Make sure you check out her website or her Etsy shop if you enjoy this. She has some other ones, but I'm super excited to start on this one, and I hope you guys like the unboxing video.